Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to know about wild animals name and their Hindi name. Okay, so without delay, let's get started. Crocodile, in Hindi मगरमच्छ. Leopard, in Hindi तेंदुआ. Jaguar, in Hindi jaguar. Giraffe, in Hindi giraffe. Bunny, in Hindi खरगोश. Frog, in Hindi मेढक. Fox, in Hindi लोमड़ी. Elephant, in Hindi हाथी. Elk, in Hindi बारहसिंगा. Camel, in Hindi ऊंट. Lion, in Hindi सिंह. Bison, in Hindi जंगली सांड. Chipmunk, in Hindi गिलहरी. Bear, in Hindi भालू. Deer, in Hindi हिरन. Bat, in Hindi चमगादड़. Lizard, in Hindi छिपकली. Boar, in Hindi सुअर. Aardvark, in Hindi aardvark. Badgers, in Hindi रीछ. Antelope, in Hindi मृग. Coyote, in Hindi कोयोट. Anteater, in Hindi चींटीखोर. चिंपांजी, in Hindi चिंपांजी. Wild cat, in Hindi वन बिलाव. Komodo dragon, in Hindi कोमोडो ड्रैगन. Jackal, in Hindi सियार. Hyena, in Hindi लकड़बग्घा. Hippopotamus, in Hindi जल हस्ती. Koala, in Hindi कोअला. Oryx, in Hindi oryx. Okapi, in Hindi okapi. Mole, in Hindi छछूंदर. Meerkat, in Hindi meerkat. Marten, in Hindi एक प्रकार का नेवला. Rhinoceros, in Hindi गैंडा. Otters, in Hindi ऊदबिलाव. Panda, in Hindi पांडा. Porcupine, in Hindi शाही. Raccoon, in Hindi एक प्रकार का जानवर. Pangolin, in Hindi छिपकली. Wombat, in Hindi wombat. Lynx, in Hindi बनबिलाव. Kangaroo, in Hindi कंगारू. Wolf, in Hindi भेड़िया. So, how did you like the video? If you like the video, then like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.